Does Samsung Smart TV have a camera? Most Samsung Smart TVs do not have a built-in camera, but some older high-end models and Samsung Smart TVs designed for video calling may include one. Samsung has largely removed built-in cameras from its newer TVs for privacy reasons. However, users can still attach an external USB webcam for video calls using apps like Google Duo. 1. Do any Samsung Smart TVs have a built-in camera? Most recent Samsung Smart TVs do not come with a built-in camera. However, older models such as the Samsung F Series 2013 to 2014 and select Smart TVs from 2015 to 2016 featured built-in pop-up cameras. Some Samsung Smart monitors and lifestyle TVs may also include camera support. To check if your Samsung TV has a built-in camera, look for a small lens on the top bezel of the TV. Check the TV's user manual or model specifications. 2. How to use a camera on a Samsung Smart TV. If your Samsung Smart TV does not have a built-in camera, you can connect an external webcam. Use a compatible USB webcam such as Logitech webcams. Plug it into the USB port on your Samsung TV. Open the Google Duo app if supported or other video calling apps. Samsung's latest Smart TVs support USB cameras for video calling, but compatibility depends on the model and app support. 3. Can you use a Samsung TV for video calling? Yes, Samsung Smart TVs support video calling through external cameras. Samsung previously partnered with Google Duo, allowing users to make video calls through the TV. However, this feature requires a compatible external webcam, an active Google Duo or video calling app, a stable internet connection. Some third-party apps also support webcam functionality on Samsung Smart TVs. 4. Privacy concerns with TV cameras. For security reasons, Samsung discontinued built-in cameras in most smart TVs. If you own an older model with a built-in camera, you can disable the camera in settings. Use a physical camera cover. Turn off smart TV features that require camera access. Using an external camera gives users more control over privacy compared to built-in cameras. 5. How to check if your Samsung TV has a camera. To determine if your Samsung Smart TV has a camera, inspect the TV frame for a visible lens, usually on the top edge. Check the TV settings for camera options. Look up the model number on Samsung's official website. Most Samsung Smart TVs today do not have built-in cameras, but users can still connect external webcams for video calls. If privacy is a concern, disabling camera access or using a cover is recommended.